Them just arrest one US-based Nigerian man because of what they find gun for inside this man possession. I don't know how manage this man carry gun enter market. In fact, so many people don't even understand them. But this man, we gonna say this man name now Mr. Larry. And him go there, say him carry this gun, say he won't go confront the person where be say they sell mattress. Say somebody sell mattress to them, mattress where they take sleep. But since say this mattress, him come notice say this thing no be original, say this thing are fake. Now there him come go back to this market with the person where help and buy. Say okay, I beg go, make na return my money for me. Say I no buy again, this thing no be original. I don't know be an idea go they do drama. I don't know be because into saying he enter Nigeria, he get gun, he go feel they misbehave. Nigeria go they do pass inside before you go see this thing don't cost Nigeria people gather. I don't know how manage they begin search this guy before they go see they see gun for in hand. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
The man that bought the mattress the man that bought the mattress first. I already returned the mattress back. So I was asking for them to return my money back to me. In my phone, you can see where I make the transaction. I always say the receipt. Every time I make transaction, I always say the receipt. The mattress they sold us was the fake Muka for 54,000. So I went back and said, I've returned the mattress. I don't have it. I returned it. And I said, give me my money back.
What did you buy with?
Mattress.
Okay,
mattress. I sent him, I sent down in the morning. Make me buy Muka mattress. But my wife got from Lagos. So he can go buy the wrong one. Now he bring her commerce. You look at it and say it's not the real Muka.
That one foolish man. Hey.
Hold on. Continue.
Hold on for
your hand. Hold on for your hand.
Hold on for hand.
Hold on hand. Oh yeah, yeah.
Look up. Hold on the shoot.
Oh yeah, the top.
We don't hold gun unless you are.
Oh yeah, now where you go buy mattress?
I don't know the name of the buyer.
Say the man will buy my child for you.
Okay, now, how come you buy this gun?
I've had this gun. I've had this gun in Nigeria since 2012.
You have?
I've had this gun in Nigeria since 2012.
Where are you from?
I'm from America, New Jersey.
Huh?
I'm from America, New Jersey.
When did you come to Nigeria?
Last week for my sister's wedding. The videos are in my phone.
Okay, last week.
I came last week, but the wedding was yesterday.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a doctor.
In America?
Yes.
So you brought these things, you brought this gun.
Hope so now listen to everything where this man talk. Larry now they claim say this gun wey they carrying, saying they hold am because of say because of protection. So all of us know as Nigeria there now, kidnapping day here and there. If you go enter this place now, they will carry you vamoose just like that. Now all this one, now reason, now making get this gun. Say in fact, he don't get this gun since no be today. Say be since 2017, I be when he call him. Say now he don't get this gun. So this why be say they call they carry him. And to be honest, he no carry this gun. Talk say he won't go face the seller. Say yes, so give me my money. No. I don't know how many they take searching bag. Go say they can't see this kind gun inside. But I beg, if this person a thief, I know sure say the person will come outside. They speak all this kind of English. They try to defend themselves. Now there our Nigerian police. If I talk say some of our police, they be mumu on our say they lie. Common investigation they no do. They don't wrong. Put handcuff on top of these two people's hand. Say what thing go do yesterday night with the gun. Say in fact you supposed to do your investigation to check. Say okay, this man they tell you say he come from America. On a checking passport to show say okay yes, so the time when talk saying come that time he come. He say be medical doctor. On a call the company to they show okay this person a real medical doctor. On a not do any of that. And himself they talk say if say he don't shoot this gun on as police people na go fit claim am say okay yes, so person don't shoot this gun. On a not even do any of that. On a just they ask stupid question. Question will be say person here say faint go catch the person. Now all those kind of questions I can't they ask the man. I beg our Nigeria blessing is supposed to go back to school. Go do on a police academy where before now come outside again. But I beg for me, I feel me they just release this man. Because if you now watch this man they talk through. Everybody just they focus on saying he hold gun. Making a focus on the corruption where this person when give money do. How they will give you money 54,000 to buy original. In fact, how much be a bed for Alaba market? They can't give you 54,000 to go buy bed. You can't go buy bed. They say bed bug don't full away no good. You can't carry and can't give the person what the person wants. Person say no once now, the thing don't turn to wahala. Why you in the first place? Why you no buy the honesty? On they see where Nigerians as they behave. You where you know say na 419 you for just sit down the drum for people will be say you know say they no get mouth. But this one I hope say this action with this man take if say himself go the place jeje Just go shout calmly. If say you no go cause, I no sure say this whole thing now, it go lead you to this kind of place. And I hope say you no go affect your professional because you now know say abroad people. Any small thing, they don't carry am personal. Make you no be say if you want go back to your office now as doctor, they will come talk say they see you will be say this thing. But I beg you, how this thing they trend? Which police record this thing? So until they happen, police never dey sure of the matter. They don't want carry phone. They investigate. Say this is the man we caught him with the gun. What did he go do with gun? Now this one was supposed reason. In fact, Nigeria matter it tire me. But I beg, make this man get people, make him call him people, make the carry the matter go court. Because if you decide to leave this inside police hand, in fact, you go just dey there rust. So the best now make you find person where go help you do this one. My people, I beg, I hear this story as make I bring and come, make na service na here with it happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Flood don damage Taraba residents bridge. In fact, this one as I see the thing, I think na only Oyinbo film now they see am. The bridge break in between, inside the middle of the bridge. Now there this thing break. But we thank God as this thing happen, nobody die. We never hear say anybody die. But as we gather and they talk say na rain, na go destroy. I come dey wonder which kind rain go fit chop bridge now so the bridge go come break. I mean they just talk say the infrastructure, the things where they use, they no use am well. Then this ones now they come dey here now they lie talk say na the bridge now this. In fact, say na rain now destroy this thing. My poor beg, make now follow me watch this video.
This is Gadan Kuturu, meaning Crippled Man's Bridge, located in Mutumbiu, the headquarters of Gasol local government area of Taraba State. It's the latest to be hit by flood on the Jalingo-Wukari Federal Highway after a consistent record of same since 2018, with those still standing perhaps waiting for another heavy downpour before they give way, as they have been reported to have existed for more than 40 years. Though no life was lost, the road is the major access lane from Taraba State in the northeast to the south-south and the southeastern parts of the country, and also connects some parts of the northeast as well as Benue State in the north-central.
For about 6 to 7 hours, everything stands still. Nobody's going out, nobody's coming in. Even some of the government vehicles were stranded until when the youths came to their aid and blocked the holes with trees, sound and all the rest. We need the government to come and do the needful thing.
Road where be say this place na major road, where be say people they always pass. Now there they come know say this bridge won't come break in between this thing. But as we gather our information, people where they pass this road talk say they sit down for there 6 hours. No movement, everybody just dey on stand still. Say nothing where they feel to feel pass. Say in fact, then some what they even call them government officials as they won't pass the road. Now there themselves they can't hang put for there. See as the people they can't hustle youth. Now there youth can't gather themselves say they won't go build one kind bridge. In fact, then this our youth they shall be disappointed. Now here una for leave this thing like this so that then this government people say they go suffer small. They go see what people they suffer because this one now they are sure say they go even give them money. Now go carry this money, go build the bridge. Now there people can't start to they pass. I don't know one year trailer over Sabi. Come carry himself say among na him get 10 head now. Everybody they wait, they pass small. He come carry himself when he carry load gari. Come carry himself, come go tumble on top of the bridge, come cause another double wahala. Bridge where they just build, you can't even go destroy. In fact, our people don't even understand. And this person that go carry this gari, go give people where Sansan don't even enter, it go distribute them to people say in they do business. But this one, I know no be our government I suppose can't do this thing. Because they're supposed to investigate this matter. People don't talk and say, make government come and say, but I sure say na Chinese constructor now do this kind of thing. Because I never see where one heavy reach a whole bridge where we say people don't they use the bridge will come break for the 2 minutes. This one, you know they happen. I never hear, so I sure say the things where they use they build this thing, the things now I know they correct. So people where they use this road, make na they kept. I even surprised I say people still get mind they pass. Where we say na suppose they crawl on top of this bridge, some people still gather motor, carry okada, they climb, but when I go just calm down. If na another road, they when I go use, may I just go use and pass them instead of climbing this bridge. Because now just a risk in our own life, now just a risk of if anything go happen for here, now go face our own problem. Because they don't already talk and say the bridge no good, make people no pass them. But now still carry in a head, in a strong head, say now won't go there, go pass them. But I beg if now they pass them, make now they very careful, make now they very watchful, make we no come hear story say bridge just break into two again. But if I say this kind of rain where they fall, if I say this rain will cause wahala. Because even for other places, this rain no dey cause problem. This one will be say when they happen inside Nigeria again, hey, it means say wahala one shallow. So make people dey very careful. If you see say rain dey fall, sit down for your house. So no come outside say they go anywhere. Mo no go dey hear story that touches the heart. My people beg, I hear this one. I want to make her bring and come. Make na service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, I just hear now. Make na don't forget to write am inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you for the next video.